Eat mushrooms chopped into bite-sized chunks. So I've got 500 grams. I've used kind of large flat mushrooms, field mushrooms. I'm using some smoked paprika, which is one of the most amazing, beautiful ingredients in the world. I love it. It's just so smoky and adds so much flavor. And then we want a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. And be generous with that. You might want to go for 3. And then some salt. So good. And then we're just going to toss to coat, and I'm going to pop it in the oven. Okay, so the mushrooms have been in the oven, and that's we'll cook for another 5 minutes or so to just get the walnuts nice and toasted, and they're going to add protein and just make it a lot more substantial. Okay, so my walnuts are nice and toasted and the mushrooms are all cooked in. We've got these lovely pan juices. It just smells amazing. So I've got some salad, just fill up a couple of bowls with some salad leaves. I'm using wild rocket, arugula, and we love that, whatever salad leaf you find. I'm meant to have radicchio here actually, but this will be still super delicious. So I'm just going to pile the mushrooms and the walnuts on top of the salad leaves. I'm going to drizzle the juices over, which is going to make a really lovely dressing for the leaves.